10 kilos of pineapples.
Yeah.
Into a fermenting bucket. 2 kilos of sugar. 1 little bit of 1 tablespoon or 2 teaspoons of yeast. Leave that to brew for 2 weeks. 14 days. After 14 days, take the juice out, put them into our water bottles, let them do a second fermentation. Job done. Now we add half a litre of boiling water, roughly. We can add 1 kilo of sugar. And mix it up to melt the sugar. Okay, nearly melted. And put the sugar in with the pineapple. And do the same again with the second kilo. Okay, second kilo in. Mix. Just to get it melted in. So it's 1 litre of boiling water. Now just add some cool water, wash out the sugars. Whoops. Okay, and add 1 more litre. So that's 2 litres instead of 1 of boiling. And now 1 of cold. Mix it all together when it's all in there. And now mash it up a bit. So estimate the skin's about 2 kilos, so there's 8 kilos of very sweet pineapple. All locally grown. So check the specific volume. Sterilised in boiling water. Oof. Whoops. Approximate alcohol content 20%. I think we need to add some more water. So in previous brews, 10 kilos of pineapple with 2 kilos of sugar has been about 14%. But these are extra large pineapples and super sweet, so we're well over. So that's the 3rd litre of water going in there. Mash it up. I'll check the percentage, but I don't want to put any more water in. Mind you, we've got a lot of pineapple meat in there, so mix it in. Stir up particularly the bottom, because that's where any of the unmelted sugars will be sitting. And check again. Still very high. I'm looking for an estimated 14%. 15%. 1.12. Yeah. Good enough. That'll do. Yeah, 1, 2. And mix it in. Okay, leave that for a little bit to bubble up. Well, it's literally been 2 minutes and I can see it frothing up already, so it likes that, so it's going straight in. Then what I'll do is just wash that out into there and mix it up and leave it alone. and then put the lid on loosely, leave it alone, cover it, and then each day, a couple of times a day, do this for the first 8 days, and then just leave it to settle. After 2 weeks, siphon it out into other bottles for secondary fermentation.
So, twice a day, or whenever you remember. Squash it in. You can see the bubbles, it's fermenting. Fine. Mix it all together, that smells good.
At this point I normally use 5-litre water bottles, but I used this glass jar this time, which actually is not good because there's way too much airspace at the top. You can see it starting to clear, but there's big airspace, so there's a good chance of getting the vinegar fly in there. Water bottles are better. A quick taste test has proved that it's still okay. So soon after it has all cleared, siphon it out and bottle it, and it can join its friends. Wonderful. Have a great day, everyone. Pete in Paradise, over and out.